loosening them up. I'm not going to take them all the way off. Loosen all the bolts. So we got these bolts loose. We didn't take them all the way off. When you loosen them, you can actually pull the motor in like that. Now I can move the motor. Lift up on the window. We gotta take the speaker off to get to the window regulator clip, which is visible through this little hole here. So the only way to get the clip off, I believe I'm gonna have to take this off so I can reach my hand in there to get it. There we go. Now we got a lot more access to that. You have a clip behind the speaker. Pop that off. Take the speaker off. Okay. We have the connector off. We have the motor out of the sockets. Now all we need to do is get the regulator pushed in and push it out. Now first we need to do is unclip it. So if you look down in this little section here, you'll see a clip, just like this. That same clip. You need to push this clip out, and that releases the window. Push this out. There it is. This clip, as you can see, goes to this ball in the window. Right there. Let's see. You can see where I got my light. There's a ball in that plastic piece. You got to push that ball out to free the window. Yep. Push the window all the way back out. Up. We have a clip here at the bottom with the orange tab on it. I'm going to show you. There it is right there. Pull this out. There. This is a connector. There's your power. We don't need this other put. See? This is the factory connector. This is the other connectors. This assembly you don't need anymore. We're just going to disconnect this Delphi connection. That connector. Right there. Right there. There's your Delphi factory connection, which you're not going to need anymore. Should be able to get this thing out of here. Get the motor out first. Careful, don't hit the window. It's all about the angle. This is for the child protection safety feature. But you're not going to be using it because she doesn't have any kids. You ain't going to need that anymore. Pull this out and there you go. Here's the new one. Here's the one I just took out. See how this slides up and down by itself? See that? This one doesn't do that because there's a wire right there that regulates it. So this regulator is broken. The motor's still good. This regulator is broken. Right here. And you can't use this regulator on this. You have to buy a new factory regulator, and which is probably like $200. This is our Rock Auto one, knockoff, that we're going to use instead. We had it like this actually, and that's where we're going to mount it. So this is the same rotation we have this one. Now we're going to put this one back in there, put the clip on it, Let's make sure the clip is the same. That should be the same as this. There it is. So that ball goes in there, this goes over the ball. So it's the same, it should work. Putting this back together. And be careful, you don't want to break this plastic piece or the cable. And slide it in, and the orientation. Now I could take all this off, but I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna slide it in real carefully. Remember, don't let this window roll down. There we got the motor in position. Alright, we got the connector connected. Now we want to put this red clip back in. We got to pull this clip out here and bring the window ball back into that hole right there. There's the ball right there. Bring the ball down until it lines up with the regulator. There it is. See where it lined up right there? We're going to push it in. And then push the clip in. We have the clip in. Add these other screws. Let's give it a slight test. Hit it down. Hit it down again. Down again. Okay, stop it. Okay, hit it up. Again. Stop. So there we go. The ball's in place. Now we're going to tighten all these screws. We're going to test it before I put everything up. We're going to make sure none of the wires are going to rub against the window regulator when it goes up and down. Okay, push it down again. Turn it off. And we're going to put all this back together after I tie strap this wire out of the way and put the speaker back in. Infinity, wow. Ooh. We want to slide this contraption back through here, like that. When you feed this through, you can reuse this black sealant. Well, line that up, push it out. Snap them in place. Oh, there's a screw here and a screw there. Alright, you gotta make sure the locks and the handles and the windows, everything's working right. Alright, try to lock the door. Alright. Unlock it. Alright, make sure the door handle works. Yep, door handle works fine. Get this one. That works fine. Unlock it. Unlock it. Roll the window down. Nice and smooth. Roll it up again. Alright, there you go. 2004 Jeep Liberty window regulator for rear window complete.